Shaven bottom. Now it looks something like this. A shaven bottom has a red or a green body, so the body color doesn't matter. Shaven bottom candlestick has no lower tail, so you won't find a low tail, a low. And it is similar to inverted hammer. Now shaven bottom is really an important candlestick because it tells you that it has closed on the low of the day. Now how does low of the day gains importance? Because anything that closes on the low of the day, it means that the trend is down. Because a low wick or a low shadow represents that somewhat they were like buyers who bought on the low. At least there were some buyers. But if there were no buyers and it closed at the exact low, then it's not a good site to be in. It's not a good pattern for the bulls. Now I'm not saying it's a bearish pattern, but it's a pattern that gives out the wrong signals. And usually the candlestick after that could change the full game from bulls to bears. So do keep an eye on this pattern. Now I will show you the shaven bottom on chart so that you can see how to pick it up and how to trade it. Shaven bottom. Now shaven bottom, if it comes with a complex pattern, then it is considered to be a really important pattern. But currently we are discussing simple pattern, and from the next section we will be discussing complex patterns. So just to give you an insight of what really is this formation or this pattern, then it is a simple candle. That is, it doesn't have a extreme low or a good low even. Just look at this candle. Let me zoom in for you. Right here. If you look at it from a naked eye, you won't see even a low. There is no shadow. This red candle. Now it could be red or green because that doesn't matter. What matters is it's shaven from the bottom, so there is no low. Okay? One thing. Next, it should have a high. A small high, but a high. And a body. Either black or red. And usually it's a neutral pattern, which means whatever the trend is, example, the trend is straight, so it will follow straight. Right here, the next one. It has a high, but no significant low. It's only 2 cent low, so it doesn't really show through a naked eye. And it could be black or white. So it's a neutral pattern. It doesn't tell you anything, but it represents that it will be following the old pattern, whatever it was following. Right here it's going straight. So it did went straight after this candle again for 2 days. So it's easy to pick the neutral pattern. If you're trading option strategies that I have for other courses, neutral option strategies, then these candles represents that okay, don't worry, it's going straight. And if you pick this candle or this pattern on, let's say, a monthly chart, then you already know for the next 2 months it will go straight. Whatever the trend it is following, it will follow that trend. Example here, it is a straight pattern, so it will follow straight. That's what it is understanding of what this pattern means. But if it comes part of a complex pattern, then it changes the meaning completely. We will discuss it further in the next section. Thank you.